Here you can see my street tracker app. It lets you zoom in and out, showing more or fewer days. I don't exactly do this in the most efficient way. I'm removing and mounting widgets. I could do it better, but this is good enough. It works. But as you can see, you get this flashing effect from all the redrawing. Textual now has a handy way to help you reduce that. All I needed to do was make a call to the batch update method. It's a context manager that suspends repainting of all the display until the end of the batch. So now I can do all of the removing and mounting of new widgets just in one batch, and all the repainting happens once it's all done. With just that one method call in just the right place, things look a lot smoother. While I could do the zoom in an even more efficient way, and I likely will at some point, I think the addition of this one call has made the whole application feel way more responsive.